uMakaNhloso noBabemncane, they went to see a traditional healer who told them that uNhloso was given a love potion. Now uMakaNhloso is suspecting ukuthi uDinhle odlisa uNhloso because uDinhle is refusing ukuthi basebenze umuthi endlini yakhe. Poet went to settle the bill at Level Up Apartments and said that they must exclude him in everything. But Untutu was all over the place saying that maybe they must go to the police or find the girl's family. Now even Umtunzi is realizing that something is not right on Tutu. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So uBabemncane no Makanhloso, they decided to go to a traditional healer to find out what's wrong on Hloso. The traditional healer told them something shocking. Ukuthi uNhloso was given a love potion. Now they're wondering ukuthi ubani lo mdlisile. Is it Madlomo? Is it uDinhle? How do you know ukuthi mhlambe ubusisiwe was so desperate? Mhlambe uyena. Now well, the traditional healer cannot tell them who gave him the love potion. Now they're just suspecting. And then uBabemncane ended up saying, can you give us something esomnika yona simphalazise? Avume-ke. Now uMakaNhloso is not dating this dress, saying that uThando lukaNhloso noDinhle started very like fire, mhlambe uyena umdlisile. But what if uMadlomo mhlambe uyena umdlisile because ubebitha ukuthi uNhloso went and married uDinhle? But why would she do that when she has also moved on with her life? Now uMamncane is confused ukuthi ahlahle ubani odlisa uNhloso. But then decides, I'm not going to let this go. I'm going to find the witch odlisa umntanami. uMamncane is like, can you let this go and just focus on letting uNhloso utaphile? uMamncane gets home, finds uDinhle ebhizi epheka umdoko. Athi awuyeke wena la mina ngizoyenza lana. And then uDinhle catches her putting the traditional medicine umuthi ebudleni kaHloso. Now she's like, are you using muti? uMakaNhloso says I had to do something because when you're not doing anything, uDinhle can sense was there's tension between them because uMakaNhloso is already suspecting that uDinhle is guilty of giving uNhloso love potion and says that uDinhle has been dragging her feet. uDinhle says, but I've been trying my best to make sure uNhloso uyalulama. I've been trying therapy and all, and I don't think that traditional medicine can help. uMakaNhloso is adamant ukuthi uDinhle uyena umdlisile, says ukuthi uNhloso will be sleeping alone while he is using the medication and she'll be the one that will be cooking for Nhloso. So uDinhle must not touch anything kaNhloso. Ukudla, it must not be sleeping in the same room with him. Uzolala naye noKhanya. Imagine, in her own house. Now uDinhle says, with all due respect, I don't think that is right because Kehana, now you cannot be using muti in my house and Momuningwak. Hey, what does Dinhle think she is saying good people cannot use muti on their kids? Like Munahai and someone's son, how can you rate can she see can she just position herself? Because now I understand her saying they cannot use muti in her house, but Munaka from someone's mom, is she listening to herself? uMamncane is convinced that she is the one who listens closer because why is she so defensive, being so uncomfortable about the whole thing? Now Poet is blaming Untutuko for registering his name. Level Up saying that is the one that booked the room, saying that they're trying to get him into trouble and Yana was not there. But Kanjan, because you were there when we all wake up with the dead body, you were all there. Poet says Guti and I does not know what you guys did to him. Untutuko is feeling offended. Guti, are you saying Guti Minang because now I woke up with her dead? I did not do anything to her. Poet then goes and settles the bill Level Up, saying that it was just a misunderstanding. I was scared that maybe something was broken. I accidentally bill and then tells Upotsotso Guti, you know what, I want nothing to do with you guys. In your silly meetings, I want nothing to do with you guys. I want out of all this. And then how it doesn't end well because Upotsotso calls Untutuko, telling him Guti Untutuko is still feeling guilty because they just dumped the poor girl somewhere. What if something happened to her? This is a serious crime. And then Tutuko gets a phone call from Khalalelo. Remember they met at the party that night? Khalalelo is just saying hi to Tutuko because they exchanged numbers and Khalalelo thought maybe Tutuko would call her. But Tutuko has been in trouble and has not even been thinking about this whole thing. And Tutuko says, where did you get my numbers? Khalalelo was annoyed with how we exchanged numbers. Anyway, bye. Then Mtunzi realized Tutuko is so distracted. What's going on? I'm still worried about your father. Ati no. Sizokhuluma mangibuya because Mtunzi can see something is bugging uNtutuko. Tutuko then meets up with the boys and they're talking. Poet doesn't want to be associated with them. How kanjani ngoba bangani bakhe saying it's going to look suspicious ngani because they are friends. Now he says uNtutuko is worried with the poor girl has not been found. There's no report, there's nothing public stated. But Poet thinks we're overthinking the whole thing. When Ututuko now thinking maybe we should look for his family. Like kanjani. It says Bambisa. The next thing is thinking maybe let's go to the police. But oh man, we can't be going to the police. The police are no go era asilapho. Uzobambisa into 2 years He's so clumsy. But because maybe he's not used to doing some things So, because this is a serious crime, like finding someone dead and just dumping them like that, it's obviously bugging him. Then Kiribati agrees to help Devet with the wedding planning. They decide, oh, Devet was thinking she wanted something custom made, but how is she gonna get the measurements? Sid is like, okay, is like, no, I'll get them. Jigo Kid has the measurements. So Devet is doing short how so fast. Aria, I had my ways. And then the next thing, venue. Devet wanted a venue that is full booked. Kid is like, but she wanted a beach wedding. Now Udivet says, but she cannot fly with her chuma. Yo, why is it so now she's missing out on having a beach wedding because she cannot fly since she has a brain tumor. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.